Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about ear protection. A lot of the machines that we use in the shop make a lot of noise. And your hearing, once it's damaged, is permanently damaged. I've used a lot of different kind of ear protection around the shop. One of the things that I like to do is hang the ear protection over the switches or on top of the cutting area so that I have to use it. Safety only happens if you make it easy. And so that's what I do most of the time. But one of the other things that I often like to do is listen to music. It's awful hard to listen to music and have the noise going on of the machines. So I've tried, this is a pair of earmuffs that has a jack that is a hearing kind of a thing. And it works okay, except you got a wire dangling around. And I'm not real fond of having a wire dangling around when I'm working. So I was kind of excited to hear about two new products from ISOtunes that are actually OSHA-certified hearing protection, but they also are Bluetooth enabled so that they can automatically pair with your phone or other devices, and they will pair with multiple devices at the same time. Now there's two different ones here. These are the ISOtunes Extra 2.0 model, and they are designed to go around your neck like that, and they have this really clever little magnet thing so that they stay on, and then you put the plugs into your ears, and the plugs work just like earbuds or like regular hearing protection in the ear plugs that you might use. And they come with all sorts of extra different sizes of plugs to go in, and it's easy and automatic to pair it with your phone, and it works great. The only issue that I have is the controls on here are little bumps right here that you've got to press, and you got to remember what does what and where it is and how to press it to make it work. For example, to turn it on, you hold it for 3 seconds, and then it beeps and a voice comes on and tells you that it's pairing with your device, if your device is activated for Bluetooth. Batteries in this work for about 11 hours, and it's offers 27 decibels of noise reduction, which is really great. And I do like the little magnet thing to clip it there. I'm still more comfortable with earmuffs. Now these are the ISOtunes Link type, and they will work quite a bit longer on battery life, up to 28 hours if you replace the built-in lithium-ion battery with 3 triple A's, I think it is, or double A's. Anyhow, regular batteries. And the controls on this, again, you can't see it when it's on, so you've got to memorize where the buttons are so that you can feel it. But they're very comfortable. These provide 23 decibels of noise reduction. And again, the same situation, you turn it on by holding the button down, and then it tells you that it's pairing, and then tells you that it's connected, and then you can adjust it. Now, both of these also have a safety feature. If you're playing your tunes really loud, you don't want to damage your ears with your music while you're avoiding damaging your ears with the machine noise. And so they're limited to 85 decibels inside what your ear is actually hearing. But it's a great alternative to be able to hear the phone ring safely, to avoid the damaging noise in your shop, and not have this one you got some dangling cords around your neck, but not too bad. And uh, in return, you get better ear protection from the plugs. These, you don't have any cords or anything happening, and you have access to music and phone and Bluetooth devices. Uh, they're both great options. You can find out more at ISOtunes, ISOtunes.com. But they seem like great devices. Oh, and these plugs are also replaceable, and they recommend that you replace them every 3 months, and they have a program so that you can get automatic replacements on those plugs. A great option for hearing protection in the shop. That's what we've got for today. If you want to see more information about tools and new products, you can go to our website at woodworkingnetwork.com or in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.